architecture lab. So your third lab program is based on what? A stack operations. So you are already seen the stack operation in your theory class. Here what happens, insertion and deletion takes place in only one way. Okay, only one entry and one exit is there. Okay, what are the operations we need to perform? We need to perform the push operation, that is insertion. We need to perform the pop operation, deletion. Third one, you need to check for that whether the given string is palindrome or not. And next you also need to show that what is the overflow condition, underflow condition. Also you need to display the contents of the stack. So these are the operations you need to perform using a stack. Okay, so initially I defined my stack size as what? 5. Okay, define maximum size of the stack is what? 5. Okay, and as you know, top will be element using for the stack. If top value is -1, it indicates that stack is empty. Okay, so hence I declared int value as what? Top value as what? -1. What are the operations I'll be performing? Push operation, wide push. Next int pop. Okay, next wide palindrome display. These are the functions I will be displaying. So in the main function, what I declared is an item. Okay, so menu will be having what? Push, pop, palindrome, display, and exit. So next what happens? Your entry or choice. So you, based on your 1, 2, 3 value, you are going for the choice operation. When you go for the switch condition, based on the choice value, your operation will be performed. First case is what? When you go for the first case, what happens? It will be asking enter the element to be pushed. Next what happens? When you go for the first, you are entering the element. If you are going for the element storing, so you are entering the element. So scanf function will be reading that element. Next, when you call the push function, the push function task is to what? The store the element. Case 2 indicates what? For pop function, that is deletion. Case 3 for palindrome. Case 4 for display. Case 5 for exit. If you enter the other value, it shows the invalid chest. So next we'll see how the push operation will working out. When you call enter the element, push function will be called. Push item, that function will be called. How to be working out? Initially it will be checking the condition. If top value maximum -1, that is if top is equal to 5, it indicates that stack is overflow because already it is full. Otherwise what it does, it will increment the stack value to top equal to top plus 1. No, top -1 is becomes 0, then that element will be stored. So how it will be stored? So you are stored with element what? S of top equal to item, that element will be stored. So this is how the process will be takes place for the insertion. Deletion, what happens? Again you are checking the condition. If top value is equal to -1, if you go for deletion, it shows that stack is underflow. Why? Because stack is already empty and returning -1. If not, what happens? If you are having item, then yes, top, that item will be, if top value is not equal to -1, if any other item is there, then that element will be deleted and top value will be decremented by 1. This is the pop operation. Next, in the display function, what you are doing? You are checking again for the empty condition. If top equal to -1, stack is empty. Otherwise, what happens? You are calling for the functions stack and you go on displaying the elements of the stack. Next, you are checking for what? Palindrome condition. Flag value you are checked 1, I, stack contents are. So in the here, what happens? So you are checking for the condition. So if you store the value of the stack in one stack and another one you are stored on the contents, if you are comparing, if both values are equal, flag equal to 1, it's a palindrome number. Means if not, it is showing that the given is not, string is not or contents of stack are not palindrome. So this is about your third lab program. Okay, so go through this program and already share in the Google Classroom. Execute it by Sunday. You can email me. Thank you.